Hi, and welcome to my video. Today's video, let's take a look at the top 10 greatest tasting, most mouth-watering, and most satisfying foods you can eat. Treats fit for the everyman or women, as well as the connoisseur. Number 1. Pizza. A variety of flavors and toppings in one large sliced dough will never satiate your mouth. Number 2. Ice cream. It's so icy, so creamy, so sweet, and so delicious. Number 3. Fried chicken. Fried chicken has all the juiciness of a steak, the crunch from a pizza's crust, and the ability to mop up a sauce like French fries. Number 4. Chocolate. Chocolate is a typically sweet, usually brown food preparation of a Theobroma cacao seeds, roasted and ground, and often flavored with vanilla. Number 5. French fries. French fries are served hot, either soft or crispy, and are generally eaten as part of lunch or dinner, or by themselves as a snack. Number 6. Hamburgers. Hamburgers should be the same as pizza because burgers have meat, cheese, vegetables, condiments, and fresh baked buns, sauce, cheese, and a bunch of toppings. Number 7. Bacon. Bacon is a type of salt-cured pork made from various cuts, typically the belly or less fatty parts of the back. Number 8. Steak. A steak is a meat generally sliced across the muscle fibers, potentially including a bone. Number 9. Tacos. A taco is a traditional Mexican dish composed of a corn or wheat tortilla folded or rolled around the filling. Number 10. Macaroni and cheese is a dish of cooked macaroni pasta and a cheese sauce, most commonly cheddar. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch for more videos. See you next time.